Pigeon most commonly refers to birds from the family Columbidae, which includes both pigeons and doves.
There's no strict scientific difference between the terms. Smaller species are often called doves, larger ones pigeons.
The bird people usually mean when they say pigeon is the
rock pigeon.
Scientific name Columbidae.
Render card ID 20B savage.
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 Render card ID.
Render card ID. Render card ID 20B savage.
These are the classic gray birds with iridescent neck feathers
that you see in almost every city worldwide.
Key facts about pigeons. Native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia, originally cliff-dwelling birds.
Domestication.
One of the first birds humans tamed.
They've been used for
food,
messenger pigeons,
race and fancy breeds,
lab animals in research.
Feral populations.
Today's city pigeons
are mostly escaped or released domesticated birds that went wild.
They thrive on human food, scraps, bread, seeds, etc.
Plum body, small head, short legs, strong and fast flyers.
Colors vary a lot due to domestication.
Classic blue-gray with black bars, reddish, white pied, all black. Cicacia
card type.
Render black bars, reddish, white pied, all black.
Inserter.
Render card ID.
Render type it into card, type it into chart type.
Render card ID, flimsy me shadow.
Render card ID 20D savage.
Render card ID. Render card ID.
Render card ID.
In Pigeon, it most commonly refers to birds from the family Columbidae.